videotape it just for the hell of it.
That'd be kind of funny.
Yeah, I'm going to.
What you got there?
Camera.
A camera?
Oh, he's got a little mini camera. Like mine's not good enough.
No, it's not.
Well, here's another.
Jump.
Here's another
Wrong
person
thing.
trying to. Oh, but look, it's a
Oh my
party.
gosh, there's like a fucking...
Apparently, we're evacuating.
It's a convoy.
Come on, Gust. I want to see the sign blow.
Gus! Gus! Oh, Gus, you almighty.
Okay, see the sign. Oh, look
Yeah,
at it wiggle.
I like it.
No, Alan, I'm rested up against it. You can't open the door.
But then you get the full effect.
The full effect
In
is
a house full of snow.
in a house full of snow.
But it's okay, 'cause it's just a townhouse.
It's just a townhouse.
So it's not a real
You have a
house.
hard time seeing this way because it's too dark, but it's blowing pretty good. Let's see if we can zoom in on where the light is. You can see how fast it's going. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
It's like really pixelated and shitty. I want the sign to get to booking again. That was a pretty intense.
The bloody sign deserves it.
It does. The pigeon sign.